Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I was getting ready for the day and I really wanted to show you my everyday clean girl makeup look. I love this trend right now. It's so common for people to just do a little bit of makeup right now. It's just all about the glow right now on the skin, making sure you have those bushy brows. So definitely the trend is less is more when it comes to makeup, and I'm really excited to show you what I do to achieve that look on me personally. So if you would like to see what I use to achieve that look, just keep on watching. So to achieve that glowy look, before anything, of course I apply my sunscreen, my moisturizer. I let that sit in for a little bit so that my skin gets to soak up all the goods in those products. And for additional glow, I really love my Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Dewdrops. This is amazing. I just apply a little bit to the tops of my cheeks, so just one pump will do. Literally gives you wet skin. Like, isn't that beautiful? And it smells really good too. That's a plus. Now, before I get started with the actual makeup products, I want to give a shout out to Merit Beauty because they actually did give me their products, and I am so thankful that a brand even noticed me because I am such a small Instagram YouTube influencer. Like, I really am not huge. I'm like a tiny speck, and I'm so blessed that they even noticed me. So thank you so much, Merit Beauty, for noticing me and giving me these products to try out. I'm so excited to try them on camera for you guys. So their brand is really like minimalistic beauty, less is more in this case when it comes to makeup. And I'm all about that because, again, that's a trend right now where like you really just don't want to put too much makeup and mask your natural beauty. So I really like that concept. And when I saw the package that it came in, like, it came in a box obviously, but the products came in this little tiny bag that is so cute. I literally am so excited to travel and use this because you can just literally throw everything in here, tie it up, and you don't have to like worry about like the zipper breaking, because I've had that happen to me before with my makeup bags. And I've seen these products all over TikTok when they first came out. I'm pretty sure this brand is pretty new. It's not even 2 years old, I think. But I saw I'm always forgetting people's names. I'm so sorry. I'm really bad with that. Okay, so I saw Glamzilla. I don't know her real name, but she was reviewing the Merit Beauty blushes, and I was like, oh my gosh, they look so good on her. And okay, let's just talk about manifestation or whatever, but I literally, I'm not even kidding guys, I have their blushes and their lip oil saved on my Sephora loves list. And you guys know I love adding stuff onto my Sephora's loves list because when it comes to the Sephora sale, I don't play around, and I like add everything, mostly everything from that list onto my cart. But anyway, long story short, I literally was looking at the lip oils from Merit Beauty and I was like, oh man, like, I don't know, I should just probably wait. Literally that same night, I got the email from Merit Beauty that they wanted to work with me, and I'm so thankful that, again, that they even recognized me and like saw that I had potential for their products, you know? So I'm so thankful. But anyway, so the first product I'm going to be using from Merit Beauty is the Minimalist Perfecting Complexion Stick, and let's just talk about their packaging. It's so pretty. Look at this. It gives me like hourglass vibes, doesn't it? I got mine in the shade Bisque, and I actually found some YouTubers here that are twins. I'll leave their name on the screen, but they literally have the same skin tone as me, and I was like looking at their review on Merit Beauty to see like what I should wear because I kind of can see what shade from there. So it's not really a foundation or a concealer. You can use it both ways, kind of like the Too Faced Born This Way Sculpting Concealer. That is really good, and I can use it as a foundation or a concealer just depending on the day. So I'm excited for this because it's in a stick form, and I honestly don't have anything like this in my collection, so I'm so excited. So I'm gonna apply some on the bottom of my eyes under here. I think it matches my skin pretty good. I haven't blended it out yet. I'm gonna cover these little specks here around my nose and right here. Ash Wednesday? Just kidding. My mom's gonna hate me. My mom mom's gonna slap me because I said that. Okay, so now I'm gonna blend it in with my trusty sponge. They do have a brush, but I couldn't get my hands on it because it was sold out on their website at the time. But I heard so many good things about it. Again, when you're trying to achieve this like clean makeup look, you're really trying to cover up only where you need it and let your skin breathe, or at least make it appear that you don't have much on the face. And please don't bully my eyebrows. I'm trying to let them grow out so I can make them look like bushy and like organic. I don't know, sometimes I go through phases where I really want that really sculpted brow and I make sure that there's no hairs out of place, but right now I feel kind of wild and I want them to be bushy and crazy. Still tameable though, it's not too bad. And if you guys are interested in these products that I'm using from Merit Beauty, I do have a link in the description box below and it'll send you to the products that I'm using. And I'm gonna be really real with you guys, the link down below is an affiliate link that they sent me themselves, but I wouldn't agree to collab with a brand that I don't like what they're doing, or if it was sketchy, I really wouldn't do that. So if you guys want to support me and my channel, you guys could click the link down below, okay? And I really like that stick. It just really kind of evened out my skin tone. Not like crazy, like a full coverage foundation. I was not expecting that. Again, I'm not, you guys already know, if you watch me on Instagram and on here on YouTube, you know that I'm not like a full coverage type of person anyway. I'm gonna layer it just a little bit more just to see like how it layers. It's definitely buildable. And it's not like super creamy where it feels like too shiny, so I like that because I do have like combination skin. It's more like a natural finish. It's not too matte and drying, but it's not like super dewy. For powder, you guys have seen this pretty much everywhere on my Instagram, but I'm trying to use up my CoverGirl Clean Fresh makeup powder. I don't even know why I said makeup. It's a powder from CoverGirl and it's really lightweight and it helps just to set my skin without drying out my skin. I highly recommend it if you're looking for a powder from the drugstore that's kind of, it's not the same texture as my Kosas powder, but it kind of gives me similar results personally on my skin. And the price is really good because it's from the drugstore. I'm just gonna put a little bit of powder underneath because I'm still gonna go in with some cream products. Okay, so I kind of went crazy with their cream blushes because I just heard so many great things about them and all the colors are so pretty. I'm gonna swatch them actually. I have the shade Terracotta, Beverly Hills, and Cheeky. So this one's Beverly Hills. I like that, it's very pretty. This one is a recommendation from those twins that I was telling you guys that I color match myself pretty much all the time to them. They said that Terracotta was like their favorite. Oh, that's so pretty. It's like terracotta shade. And they don't smell. I forgot to mention that this brand is a clean brand, which is awesome. I really wasn't into like clean makeup brands because there wasn't many before. And now it's like the whole new rage if you're like into makeup. I always hear about clean makeup this, clean makeup that, and this is a clean makeup brand. This last one is Cheeky. Okay, that one's a little bit berry toned compared to the other two. Ooh, they're also pretty. I don't know. I think I'm gonna go in with the shade Terracotta. And the packaging is so cute, right? Okay, so I'm gonna just do this. I like how it's not so overly pigmented because you know how there's like really pigmented blushes out there and you're like, I'm gonna just blend it in with this brush from e.l.f. that I've been loving, by the way. This is their Complexion Duo. It's amazing. It's like perfect size too. Okay, I really like that color. I'm gonna build it up. So on this side, I think I'm gonna try it like this, and then on this other side, I'm gonna try with a brush. So because this color is more like warm tone, I'm gonna try to put it in like a bronzer too, like in the area where I put bronzer to give more color to my face. Dude, I love this. It looks so glowy, like just healthy on the skin. Put a little bit on the nose. If you're too scared to try cream products, I really feel like this would be so beginner friendly for anyone because you can't mess this up. It's super easy to blend it out. I feel like you can't go overboard with this color because it looks amazing. Okay, I love that color. Okay, that is so cute. What do you guys think? Super nice, right? The glow. Okay, I love that blush. I'm excited to try out those other ones. We're almost done with this makeup look. Can you believe that? Okay, so now I'm gonna do my brows, and this is like so pretty, guys. This is their brow gel that they have, and look how pretty the packaging is. It's a tinted brow gel. Got mine in the shade brown. I've been running out of my e.l.f. one, so this is really nice to have. Okay, this is really nice. It's not too much product on the brush. Before, after. I literally love running a tinted brow gel through my brows whenever like I'm in a rush, which is literally me every single day, because I love to just wake up late to everything, huh? No, but in all seriousness, I really like putting a brow gel, just a tinted brow gel through my brows, because I've realized that I don't really like too much brow product in my own brows because I feel like it's too harsh on my face. I think it just depends. Like when I have like a full-on beat, I kind of need more definition. Like, I don't know. It just really depends on my mood, to be honest with you. Okay, that's so nice. Like it. It's really, really good. I like the color a lot. Okay, and for this product, oh my gosh, I think this is the prettiest packaging too. So their mascara is a tubing mascara. If you guys know me, you already know that I love my Thrive Cosmetics mascara, which is also a tubing mascara. It's literally amazing because at night you can literally take off your mascara with warm water, and it's amazing. It's so easy to take off. So I'm really excited to try out this mascara because if I can find another tubing mascara that I love, like, I'm so excited. So I'm gonna curl my lashes. This is the Shiseido lash curler. I love this lash curler. The wand is really nice. It's not too big. It's like perfect. Let me know if you guys have ever tried tubing mascaras because I never heard of them until I saw Kathleen talk about them, and everything that Kathleen would recommend I would buy. Okay, that's so pretty. I really like it so far. Okay, my first impressions is that this one is like a natural bristle mascara wand, and I've never tried it like with this formula before because my Thrive Cosmetics one, the wand is more like a plastic wand. It's a little harder, but I really like this effect that this brush is giving me because it's more wispier. And who doesn't love a wispy lash? Don't worry, I'm gonna clean up my lids in a little bit. So, okay, I kind of changed my mind. I'm gonna put a little bit of this blush on top of whatever I have on because I looked down at my hand and I was like, that's so pretty. So this is the Cheeky blush, and I'm just gonna add it to like the middle of my cheek and just pounce it. Just add more color to my cheek while my mascara dries. I literally forgot to plug my mic. I'm so dumb, but now I have it on, so I hope you guys can like notice the difference. That came off so easily. Nice. Okay, so now for the lips, I'm gonna use my Nude Suede Shoes by NYX. I love this lip liner. It's literally the prettiest tone on my lips. So. And literally, I have been wanting this for the longest time, and I can't believe it. This is their lip oil, and this is in the color Au Naturel. It's like a neutral tone, and I feel like I could wear this every single day. And it doesn't really have a scent. Wow, it's so pretty. This is my first lip oil. I've never tried a lip oil before. It's very comfortable. So that's nice. Literally perfect. The cutest color ever. I feel like it's so flattering on my skin tone. Okay, and then last but not least, I really am excited because look what I got my hands on. the Milani Make It Last jumbo size of the finishing spray. I literally didn't even know this existed until I saw like Juicy Jazz on YouTube talk about it, and I was like, okay, I need that size. I need it. So I found it at Walmart and it's the best thing ever. And there you go. This is my clean girl everyday makeup look. Glassy skin, minimal, easy makeup for every day. It's like the go-to, guys. If you have not tried to do something so minimalistic on the face yet, just try it out. Even if you're like, no, 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 you can ignore my dogs. If you're like, no, 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 like I'm a full coverage, no, like try this out. I feel like enhancing your face with just a little bit of makeup sometimes is so nice for the day-to-day. Oh my god, why does my dog have to bark? If you have not tried the clean makeup look yet, just try it out, and I promise you, you'll probably love it too. Also, let me know if you have any products that I may like for a look like this. If you guys have like go-to products that you use every single day to achieve that clean girl makeup look, let me know. Let me know, girl. Also, don't forget to give my video a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video, and subscribe if you haven't already. Also, if you're really interested in the Merit Beauty products, I'll leave the link down below. Just click on it and it'll lead you to those products. And I really appreciate all the support you guys give me. It does not go unseen. I appreciate you guys so much. You don't understand. This may seem really small to you guys and you're like, oh, that's not a big deal or whatever, but to me it's such a big deal. It's such a big deal that a brand even noticed me, and I'm really appreciative. And I honestly don't think they would have even noticed me if it weren't for you guys and all the support you guys give me. So I just wanted to thank you guys, and I can never thank you guys ever enough. I just want to be super transparent and let you know that I am working with them. So if you guys have an issue with that, you don't have to click on the link, but if you do, I appreciate you and I thank you beforehand, and I thank you from the bottom of my heart if you do end up clicking the link and buying the products. If you do end up buying stuff, let me know and send pictures to me. I would love to see that. But yeah, guys, I really hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!